Bitcoin is going absolutely nuts here right now, and I believe to know where the next move for Bitcoin might lead us to, as you can see already in the title. So I will show you why I believe we can go potentially to $20,000 under certain circumstances that I'm gonna point out into this video. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will be always notified when I put out one of these important videos. And now let's directly dive into the charts here. So when we go here first to the daily chart, what we can see is that we have broken out of this rising wedge that we were forming here, and that is an occurrence that we see not really often with Bitcoin, that we go against the grain and we break a bearish pattern to the upside, especially coming out of a bearish move, and then go contrary to the upside. So the last time when that happened, so I'm here on log to show you this, the last time that I found this was happening was 2 years ago, here in that scenario in April. Basically this massive Corona drop that we had, all the way down here to $3,800. So here in that drop, we came back up, formed also somewhat of a rising wedge, and broke out to the upside and just kept going further to the upside over the next one and a half years or so. So now we see for the first time in over 2 years the same thing happening again on the daily chart. So which of course makes me here now cautiously bullish, guys. So then when we go to the 4-hourly chart, why I believe we could potentially go here to $20,000, let me just take the EMA ribbons away, is that we don't have a lot of resistance above us. So we have of course somewhat of resistance around here where we have all these wicks. Let me take this away. So here you see we have touched here multiple times that level. So, and that is $18,600. So there is significant resistance for Bitcoin. So, but if Bitcoin can manage to break this, is when we look here on the VPVR, there we can see there is not much resistance. So here you see $19,200 is the next point of control here based on the VPVR. And above that, there is basically no big resistance anymore to go here massively higher. So that also was the prior all-time high in 2017. So this is a significant area that we have to look at when the price is going higher. So, and that gives us now kind of a range of 18,600 to 19,200, where I believe the price will come up to test 18,600. Most likely will get rejected, but will come up again. And if we manage to break into that range here and start consolidating, then I think $20,000 is not that far away anymore. So now, of course, how long can that take? So this can take, in my opinion, still a couple of days. So we could see a move to $18,600 tomorrow, after tomorrow, in my opinion. Then we have to reevaluate what's happening here in the market. Something that I want to point out here is that we had significant volume coming in for that big break above $17,400, which was holding us down for quite a bit here. So, and yeah, so that was a volume supported move, and only because of that we were able to break above that. Because when we look prior to that, when we tried to break it, just look at here the candles. So there was no change in volume. It was the same volume that we kind of had before, which was here across that line. So, and it only changed when we broke $17,400 and saw massive buy volume coming in to Bitcoin. What we can also see is that here on the weekly chart, it looks like that the bullish divergence is now playing out here. So where we create lower lows on the price and higher lows on the RSI. So this was something that I was thinking about, I know I have not voiced it on the channel, that against the evening star pattern could be also a continuation pattern be happening. I was ruling this out because things didn't look at the time as bullish as they are now. So if we can manage to close this candle as it is right now on the weekly chart, then I believe we see in the worst case some sideways chop and then continuation to the upside. I don't believe that we will go massively then back into a downtrend and revisit, let's say, $12,000 or something like that, unless we have another black swan event. But potentially the bottom might have been in from what I see right now, if we close this weekly candle as it is. So the bottom was potentially in here at $15,400. So if the price action is this week not turning against us and makes a really, really ugly red candle for us. So I will open a long position when I see that we can close a 4-hourly candle at the prices where we are right now. So in the next 3 hours or so, then I will open a long position all the way up to $18,600. I will post it in my free Telegram chat, guys, when I take the position. So make sure that you are in that free Telegram channel, and also that you sign up on BYBIT and get your $30,000 in free bonuses if you use my specific link, or on Bitget $20,000 in free bonuses also only with my specific link, guys. Make sure that you use these links. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, do you think is the bottom in already, and is this the turning point for the whole crypto market? I would like to know. Let me answer some of your comments, guys, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.